Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, I'm playing Roblox, obby. So if the music's too loud, I can't be bothered to do anything. Ugh! Please. Sorry. Yeah. But like, no! 3 skips left. I could just skip this, but I don't give up until I do give up. Ugh! I give up here. I'm back. Let's go. Balloon. Dodgeball? I'm not done. Okay. I'm playing Ripple mini games now. Ah! Excuse me. Excuse me! Shh. My bed can't avoid get out. Oh. Oh. Sorry. You see they're back. What's this? Oh. Hit! Apparently I hit someone. You just went behind me. What am I doing? The heck? One. Well, that was really bad. But it's because I only got only a little bit pink one. Oh, I got 2 odds. Darn it. Purple. Move. Oh. I want to do last. This is standing. I kind of forgot it. Oh. No, I don't think it's that game. But let's play it. Ow. Hurt myself. It's forever. I'm used straight away. Whee! Oh. Oh. You can't. What I do for these games, I can't even do a jump. I can't even do a jump. I hate this. Ah! Running away. Run. Run. Dude, move out of the way. What I do is I just stay in the back. I just run around and do anything. Nope. I'm just gonna stay here. I feel like someone's gonna come around the corner any minute. That's why I'm just like hiding. I'm a hider. I don't like to go out. Hello! Woo! Ah! There's a blue. Okay, you're on my same team. Okay, we have 2 minutes left. I need to stay alive. I'm blue. There's 2 reds. Can you see the dots above? That's colour, and my dot's up by the timer. So I'm blue. Am I the only blue standing? I don't think they can find me. I think I'm the only blue standing. This is intense. This is like 1 minute 40 seconds. No! Ah! Oh no. Ah! Sorry. My mum's not home, so I'm fine. It stopped me.